Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows Sandbox. No hypervisor was found with error code 0xc0351000. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your search box and type a control panel. After opening up a control panel, you can go to your uninstalled programs, and after doing this that you can click on turn Windows features on or off. So click on it. After doing this that new dialog box will be opened for Windows features. So scroll down and find out virtual machine platform as well, and the second is that Windows Hypervision platform. So check it from both. After doing this that click on a OK button. So it's required of a few seconds to complete changings. So you can just wait for a few seconds to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing a process, now restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, now once again you can go to your search box and type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click and open it as run as administrator. Click on a yes button, open it, and after doing this that type a command bcd edit space /set space current close brackets space and type a hypervisor launch type, hypervisor launch type space and press and type auto and press enter. Now after doing this that the operation completes successfully, and after doing this that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem has been fixed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.